commitment to supporting its members, particularly in providing access to affordable housing, savings, and other benefits.
That's right, Sir Jojo. And as you might have seen on the social media, true yan! Kasi ang Pag-ibig Fund, solid ka ba? Kaagapan nyo kahit saan, kahit kailan.
Yes, and so today,
Sa testamento, sa lakas ng Pag-ibig Fund. Sabi ko nga po dun sa mga trustees, how does it feel to be a trustee or a director of a trillion? Of the transparency and effectiveness of our leadership, governance, and integrity. And because of our strong performance,
contributed to Pag-ibig Fund's 2024 accomplishments. Before we continue with the awards, may we request our honorable trustees to join our senior management officers on stage. Agencies ensure that our member borrowers do not default in their housing loan payments and assist in converting Pag-ibig Fund's non-performing loans into performing loans. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting our collection agency in South Luzon. Congratulations! Vision Credit and Collection